Hi guys, I hope you're all doing great. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to change the layout and the setting of your taskbar on Windows 11. Are you ready? So let's get started. As you can see, the taskbar looks like that at the moment. If you want to change it, so right click on the taskbar and choose taskbar setting. Okay. As you can see here, we have taskbar items. Click on that, and here we can also change the view of search menu. For example, here you can hide it or you can change it. Search icon only, and you can also click on search box. So as you can see, it has been changed. If you want to change like that, it looks like that. And if you want to change as you can see. And you can also turn it off or on task view. As you can see, if you turn it on, it will be appeared here. If you don't want it, you can turn it off. The widget, you can also turn it on. It will be here. If you don't want, you can turn it off. That's how you can change the taskbar items. And the second thing you can change, also you can click on taskbar behavior. You can change the alignment of your taskbar. As you can see, it is by default in the center. If you want to have it on the left side, as you can see, it will be moved to the left side. If you don't want, you can turn it on. And here we have automatically hide the taskbar. If you check it, it will be hide. If you turn it, if you don't check it, it will be appear here. That's how you can change the view of your taskbar on Windows 11. That's it, guys. Hope you will like it. If you have any question, drop them in the comment section. If you're new here, please do subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.